From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your morning update.
Well, here we are. We've been talking about this pretty much all week long. Eventually by Friday, the chance for showers and thunderstorms. Well, here we are. It's Friday, and it's going to be happening. We've got the area of low pressure that's coming down from the north. It's going to center itself over pretty much northern California, and then the rotation around that area of low pressure will give us showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today. Some places a lot more rain than others. Other places won't see as much rain, but I think the best chance for showers and thunderstorms here with this system will be today. Saturday, it's going to be few and far between. We just won't see nearly as much activity. And Sunday, it's actually going to linger on into Sunday. I think we've got a chance for showers and thunderstorms on Sunday as well before it finally dries out, I think, across the board by your Labor Day. And then it looks like highs for next week, at least for the inland areas, will be below normal. It's going to warm up a little bit, but it should be below normal. So you're going to see a lot of lightning strikes on the maps here for today, all right? So you can see here for today, the inland areas, showers and thunderstorms here through the afternoon. The coast, showers, maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms there as well. Trinity County, you guessed it, more showers and thunderstorms here as well. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for your daytime highs. So let's take a look at Futurecast and show you what's going on here. This is going to take you to about the noon hour. There you can see a lot of the thunderstorms, for the most part, are mainly in Siskiyou County, but we're beginning to see some activity in Trinity County and entering the picture here for parts of northern Humboldt County and into Del Norte County. Now this activity is moving around the area of low pressure. So what you'll see happen is this is going to be doing something like this and then kind of down here. So then along the coast, Eureka's seeing showers. We're seeing most of Humboldt County getting showers and thunderstorms here. And then of course we're seeing it in Trinity County and western Siskiyou County as well. Now we're going to take you to tonight. In fact, midnight tonight, it's beginning to taper off. We're now on the outer fringe of that rotation is now off to the west over the ocean. We see some activity here still in Trinity County, midnight tonight. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, as we go into Saturday morning, we're actually getting a bit of a break. We're seeing rain way off the coast here over the ocean. And look at this, as we go through the afternoon on Saturday, we are seeing showers and thunderstorms begin to develop again. But you'll notice it's not as widespread, it's not as much activity, but there could be some brief periods of heavy rainfall there. And that does include the inland areas. I don't expect to see as much activity for the coast, but the coast still could see some activity on Saturday as well. Now Sunday morning, we're getting a bit of a break. Now we look at the long range, and what's interesting is this. We are looking at the GFS forecast model right here, and this is what we've been using pretty much all week long. The European forecast model has been, for most of the week, showing chances for showers and thunderstorms for the mountains Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, drying out on Monday. Today is the first day we're actually seeing the potential for the showers and thunderstorms out of this model on Sunday, and it's showing up here. So I've included a chance for showers and thunderstorms on Sunday for the mountains in particular, with most likely dry conditions for the coast and not to mention the northern Sacramento Valley. Then after that, Monday, Labor Day, Tuesday through next Friday, we're going to be looking at drier conditions. It's warming up a little bit as well, but should stay below normal. Now the rainfall totals, it gets tricky with these types of storm systems because when you're looking at isolated showers and thunderstorms, you can't really pinpoint exactly how much rain each particular location is going to get. But what this will show you here is where most of the rain will be, which in this case looks to be in the eastern mountains, where we could see upwards of an inch or more in some locations. Now, I think flooding could be a concern here. Now, as of right now, as I'm recording this, there are no flash flood watches or warnings, at least to the east. But that's a different story here off to the west. And again, you can see some of the totals here looking upwards of close to an inch, about a half an inch to an inch in some spots here. But this is where we have the flash flood watch. Western Siskiyou County, northern Trinity County, Del Norte, and most of Humboldt County as well. Now that's through the day today, by the way. Now, when we're dealing with this, again, we could talk about some localized street flooding, streams and creeks, because sometimes these storms, they can dump a lot of rainfall in a long period of time, especially if they move very slowly. And on top of that, we've got a lot of burn scars in this area, and that could create mudslides and debris flows. So Highway 299, Highway 3, Highway 101, these are all going to be highways of concern for mudslides and debris flows. So travel today, not recommended in these areas. Saturday, Sunday, not as recommended, but conditions may be a bit better. Now the wave heights we take you through the day today are going to be increasing here. So it's not going to be a good idea to be out over the ocean as well on your boat. All right, now we take you into your Saturday afternoon, and I do not expect the conditions to really improve a whole lot. So here's the marine forecast. Now, there are most likely going to be some small correct advisories here for today. I don't have any in here, but most likely there are going to be some small correct advisories and maybe even some gale watches and warnings out there. But here you can see those winds from the northwest at 5 to 15 knots. Your waves from the northwest is 6 feet at 9 seconds. Your low tide will be this morning at 7:29 and your high tide at 2:11 this afternoon. So here's what it looks like today. A lot of lightning strikes out there. We're going to be looking at heavy rainfall in some areas, including the coast, and the coast could even be looking at some of those thunderstorms as well. So looking at your 7-day outlook. So here's what I've got here for the coast in particular. Showers are the best chances today for the coast. Saturday, we may see a slight chance for some showers, but overall, I think most of it will be east of the coast. I'm drying it out for Sunday on the coast. Labor Day also dry. For Hoopa, showers and thunderstorms for today. Could see another chance on Saturday. Quite honestly, it should be in there on Sunday as well, but I think better chances as you head out towards Weaverville. So Weaverville, you've got the chances all the way through the weekend. By Labor Day, it should dry out. Now we look at your 7-day outlook for Eureka, and I do have that chance, of course, today. That's the best chance. As we go into Saturday, still that slight chance, but as I mentioned, I think most of the activity will be east of the coast. Sunday, it's dry. Labor Day, it's dry. And we'll keep it dry through next week with highs in the mid-60s.